Revolutionary products like ICFs, or insulated concrete forms, are changing the way we're constructing 21st century buildings.
Think of them as Lego blocks for big kids. They snap together like Lego blocks. They provide a superior insulation envelope for buildings, homes, schools, churches. They also provide an air barrier and high soundproofing.
The primary insulation material of the forms is rigid foam.
The white part that you see is typically expanded polystyrene made from a base product called styropor. It looks like sugar. It's a sugar plastic. The forms come with a diamond on the top and a circle on the bottom. So the diamonds typically go up and the circles go down. You snap these together, they snuck right in. And you can see this horizontal seam right here. That's where the two have sucked together and it's become an interlocked system.
Next, the blocks are hooked together and fitted with rebar in preparation for the concrete pouring part of the process. The concrete is poured using a boom pump.
It comes down into the hose. We pour about 1.5 to 2 blocks at a time. That's typically about 32 to 36 inches.
Once completed, the building has a double layer of insulation built right into its structure. The insulated concrete forms make it much more efficient than traditional insulation processes.
To make the analogy, if you have a really hot cup of coffee that's poured into a styrofoam cup, you're able to hold on to that cup. And the reason why is because you've got a very thin layer of foam between you and that scalding cup of coffee. If you take that into context of that thickness of styrofoam cup versus this thickness, multiplied twice as a wrap for your building, you get a sense of the incredible insulation values that you're giving yourself to protect from the external environment.
This efficiency immediately registers on the building's energy bills.
The #1 consumer of energy on this planet is to heat and cool structures, to keep humans comfortable in. And with an insulated concrete form envelope in that building, you're conservatively cutting that energy usage down by at least 30 to 40% versus wood frame structures.
Today, ICFs are among the fastest growing insulation products. ICFs have the same goal as all forms of insulation: